Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace speakers in a Dodge Ram 1500 full guide. Disconnect the negative battery terminal before you touch any wiring. I'll walk you through removing door panels, unplugging connectors, and swapping 6, 5-inch or 6x9 speakers safely. I'll explain mounting, sealing, and testing audio without jargon, and how to reuse factory clips to avoid rattles so your truck sounds great. After safety steps, gently pry around the door panel edges with a trim tool to avoid damage. Remove visible screws and hidden fasteners behind handles and cups, then lift the panel to free it from clips. Disconnect power window and speaker plugs carefully, labeling connectors if needed. Keep screws organized and inspect the vapor barrier for tears. Reseal it if necessary before reinstalling components for a clean, watertight fit. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy during long installs and deserve a shout out. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to try them. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Check speaker polarity and fit before final installation by briefly testing the old speaker and noting wire colors. Use a harness adapter to mate new speakers to factory plugs, avoiding splicing whenever possible. Ensure the speaker sits flush, use gaskets or foam to seal gaps, and torque screws evenly to prevent warps. Reconnect the battery to test sound, listen for rattles, and tweak placement for balanced tone and imaging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.